the new Goso TikTok growth service. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Goso channel. Today I'm just going to do a short video on one of the new services that we have, and that's the Goso TikTok growth service. So this service, as many people may already know, is based on the follow, unfollow that's been used on Instagram, Twitter, and many of the other platforms in the past. But now it's with a little bit of a change. As you may know, it's very difficult to do Instagram follow and follow anymore, whereas with TikTok being a new platform, it's a lot easier to do, and the results are very positive right now. Another great thing that you can do with the TikTok growth as well at Goso is we can also comment and like on others' posts as well. And what this does is at the end of the day gains you more followers to your account as we target through the hashtags on TikTok. So many people have been saying that TikTok is just for kids, but they're probably the same people that said that Instagram was for kids 5 years ago, and look how Instagram's doing right now. So it's super important that you open up a profile on TikTok and get working now, because these kids will grow up. And I don't just mean that most of the people on the platform are kids at all. There are tons of influencers and companies who are making the shift from Instagram to TikTok right now. So if you're not on this platform, you will be left behind, because now it's the perfect time to grow. Exactly like Instagram was 3-4 years ago, TikTok is the same at the moment. Another very important thing is the TikTok growth service is very cheap right now, exactly the same as Instagram was 3 or 4 years ago. So it's super important to open a profile and get growing right now, because you're going to save a lot of money than if you wait for another year or 2 years. TikTok is a very easy platform to use. The user experience on there is fantastic, and it's very easy to share your content. If you're making videos on there, it's super easy to share them to other platforms as well. So you'll be saving time also on the platform compared to going to each individual platform and posting on there. So a fantastic thing about TikTok, which is also a little bit tricky sometimes as well, is you have to be creative, but it gives you the tools to be creative. You've got more music on there, and unlike the other platforms as well, for example Instagram, they take your video down if it's copyright music. That doesn't happen with TikTok. So you can be more creative, create fantastic videos, and keep your clients or your followers always engaged in what you're doing. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world right now. So get on there, jump on, get on the bandwagon, and open a profile today. So if you haven't got a TikTok profile already, as soon as this video finishes, go and create a profile, have fun on it, come back to the Goso website, and we'll grow your profile for you, and you'll be astonished about how fast you'll be growing and how well it can be for your business as well. So what are you waiting for? Go and download the app. So thanks for watching the video. Please go to the website goso.io and check out our growth services for TikTok. If you have liked the video, please leave a comment below, hit the like button as well, and yeah, bye for now. TikTok. Have you downloaded it?